Yo guys, I welcome you all into this one channel. As I've told you guys before that I'm going to surely update every one of us about this new Deriv Profem that just launched today. So it launched today, 24th of January 2024. So as I've told you guys, I say I'm going to update you guys in all of these or how the PFM is going to go about. And we have watched the live Zoom, sorry, the YouTube live streaming, and wow, I'll say, guys, this is for number one. If you don't know what you are doing, and one advice is to go for this. Continue with your other, maybe continue with your fund, your account. But if you have the account, if you have the fund, I will surely explain these three, these three make light, make pro, and make gents. So I'll explain it to you. Is easy. I won't like to take much time in this video. And firstly is this very one 3,000 bronze make light. So this guy is expecting you. This firm is expecting you to firstly the mass daily loss is so very ridiculous. Mass daily loss is 3% drawdown. I want to firstly talk about the bad side of this, and I will also talk about the cash about this. The max daily loss is unreal, because how are you going to tell me? How will you tell me that? Okay, I'm targeting 35%, 35%, but 35% in just for this. 35% of $3,000 accounts in just for this. That is what he's trying. These all these terms there. The 20% profit target phase one. You have two phases. The phase one, the phase two. The phase one, 20% profit target. The phase two, 15% profit target. The phase one, 20% of 20% of $3,000. If you calculate it, you see that is so very ridiculous. And you are not even passing this. You are not passing the phase one in 4 days. You are passing both the phase one and the phase two in 4 days of every account that I see here. I think if you go to the site, you are okay. Can you see this? Is there already? Is there already? Every of the make light is 4 days. Max trading days means 4 days. You are only given 4 days to pass the accounts. If you don't pass that account in 4 days, that account is terminated. So that is BS, a full BS. I don't want to know. So and the other, see, the daily and the max loss is so very ridiculous. And what else again? Oh, then if by luck you know what you are doing, then you pass this account. So this is the catch of this you trading this make light. This is the catch here. The catch here is that, do you see the profit split is 70%, but do you see this, that your first active profit target, this means that your first profit, the first time that you received your account, you are going to target 60% profit of $3,000. And here now, this is the catch. This is the catch. Once you have passed it, you are not making your money in 4 days again. You have unlimited time. Let's say in a month, you have unlimited time to make 60%, and 60% of $3,000 is 1,800. If you don't make that in a month, in the time period that you are asked to make the money, or let's say you are in a month, I think they say they pay twice, every bi-weekly and monthly. So bi-weekly, you are here to eat that 1,800. If you request for a payout, they are not going to process your payment. because you are here to increase that $3,000 to 1,800. That is 1,800 plus 3,000. That is a 4,800. So you are taking that account to from 3,000 to 4,800. Then that is the time that you can withdraw for a payment. So this is what this means. So for most of you that don't even like to go through all this time and you just go and buy the account and you see that it's just so bullshit, and at the end of the day you'll be complaining. So I'm giving you this thing now. We are giving you the full insights here now. So do you see the all this bronze, gold, and this, the milk light is for traders that are good. You must be very very good, very good to pass this, because it is so unreal. I don't mean we are giving like maybe 2 weeks to pass the account. I won't bother with the mass daily drawdown, the 90%, sorry, $19. That is, the 3% is minus $90. If you use minus $90 in that account, that means that you have breached that account in a day. If you hit minus $90 in a day, that means that you have breached the account. So I won't advise any upcoming trader if you don't know what you are doing. Although me, I will still try one of these accounts. It's because we have the experience. But you that you don't know what you are doing, never option in for this account. So this guy wants you to option in. Can you see this Milk Pro now? This Milk Pro is selling it for $99 bar, and it increased the mass daily loss and the mass loss. It's still the same thing, and the profit target is 15 and 20. He wants you to pay more for the stuff to be easy for you. And now, do you see this now? It's still the same thing. Then your first the target here is, once you if you pass it, you'll be the first profit target is, once you have your live account, the profit target will be 70%. That 70% of $3,000, that is, should be almost maybe 1,900, or yeah, maybe 1,900 or 1,900 plus. So you must make that 1,900 plus in that account before, or maybe almost 2,000 before you. Let me even calculate it, because some of you won't know this. So let's calculate that. 70% divided by 100, that is 0.7 times 3,000. So that is 2,100. You have to make 2,100 if you are optioning for this now. Do you see that? Can you see that? Can you see how this thing is very very, it's not there's no play in this. Though after you have, if you pass your account, you have no problem, because you have no drawdown again. That is, you have no drawdown. You can use any big lot size that you have no drawdown once you have passed the account. Then you have no time limit again once you have passed the account. You can use 1 month, 2 months to make that to 100, and then you look for, you make your withdrawals. So now see this very last one now, the make gent. Can you see this? $300. This, in fact, imagine going for $3,000 accounts, $3,000 accounts, and you also, this is just so unreal. $3,000 accounts, right? $3,000 accounts for $300. So the product fee is $90. Uh, so this one is still 30% profit target. That is, phase one, phase two, you are going to target 15%, 15%, 15% each in each account that you receive, and you must pass that account in 30 days. Can you see this? It's 30 days. If you are going for the make gent 3K accounts, and the mass loss in this account is 10%. That is, 10% of 3,000 should be 300. uh, yeah, if you are saying zero max daily loss, and you are still saying 10% max loss. That is in a day. So this is what they are just trying to say. In a day, you have 10% drawdown. 10% drawdown of $3,000. That is 0.1 times 3,000. That is 300. That is 300 minus 300. If it should hit minus $300 in this account, that means that your $300 is gone. If you should hit minus $300, and you see now the profit target is 15%, that is 30%. So you must target. Okay, that is for the profit. For the phase now, let me okay, the phase one, phase two, yeah, is 30%. So your phase one 30%, your phase two, your phase one 15%, your phase two 15%. So generally you are looking for 30% uh profit target in the two accounts you are going to be receiving. So that's that, and the profit split is still okay, but this price is so very ridiculous. So I will advise you guys, if you don't have the money, if you don't have the knowledge, this PFM is not for you. It's not for you. If you don't have the knowledge, if you don't have the money, this PFM is not for you. Because if you should try this make light, there is 95% guarantee that many trader is going to fail this. And what is the reason why? The reason why is that the 3% mass daily loss is so very ridiculous, and the time limit, the 4 days time limit is so unreal. So I won't advise any of you trader that's upcoming trader. If you are an upcoming trader, don't go for this. But if you have the knowledge and you have the money, if you $50, $100 is nothing for you, you can go for this. So, but for you that you are a young trader, you are still trying, it is better for you to load that $50 in your live account and be targeting $1 to $5 per trade. Do you get that? So that is that, guys. And for those of you that want to really buy a live account or a profile account, you can talk to me. Just message me. I would do a zoom with you on how to go about the FT Nigeria. The FT Nigeria is far better than this, but the rules there, the rules is so very easy. It's very easy. Just that one you are going to target 25%. It's not even up to 30% here. So 25%, then they have this rule that most trader doesn't know about. So I will take you through that rule. You must hold your trade for more than 5 minutes. But how do you hold that trade for more than 5 in case trade is going against you? And I always everyone that have applied under me, I've always give them that how to always go about that, and they have no issue. I have people passing that easily. So guys, that is that. I see you on the next one. Guys, enjoy.